Big. Thanks for coming in. I really appreciate your
You know,
time.
we have seen some very famous fake Jamaicans over the years. Call me now. Lord of mercy. And the question has always been, you know, how to tell a real Jamaican from a fake Jamaican. And yes, folks, that question was asked 230 years ago. Nobody come up with the answer until now. It means I'm the smartest Jamaican in 230 years. So if you want to know a real Jamaican from a fake Jamaican, when a real Jamaican is talking to you, anytime they have something important to tell you, they always start off like this. Let me tell you something. That's it. Every time a real Jamaican has something important to tell you, they always start off by saying, let me tell you something. For example, I'm here, girl. I just see your husband down the road, girl. That's not the important part yet. And he was with another woman. That's still not the important part yet. And girl, let me tell you something. She was half his age. And then when they had the, let me tell you something, with a little bit of dancing, shaking. This is real good. Some real good shit now. And girl, you're not gonna believe, let me tell you something. You're not gonna believe what I did. I got a picture of them and I just texted to you. It's coming through right now. Oh my, you get it's coming, girl, you see it? Yes, it's coming. You got it now? Oh yeah. It's here. And girl, let me tell you something. That was the man's daughter.